Welcome to RenEnergy.com, your renewable energy and sustainability platform. At RenEnergy.com, we believe in the power of clean, sustainable energy to transform the way we live and work. That's why we offer a range of solutions for businesses and homeowners looking to switch to renewable energy sources such as solar, wind, and water. The Vindeby Offshore Wind Farm, installed in 1991 off the coast of Vindeby, Denmark, marked the birth of the offshore wind industry. This pioneering project featured 11 wind turbines with a combined capacity of 5 megawatts, MW. Danish company Bonus Energy AS, which later merged with Siemens Gamesa Renewable Energy, manufactured the wind turbines, each with a capacity of 450 kilowatts, kW, and a rotor diameter of 35 meters. The Vindeby Offshore Wind Farm represented a major breakthrough in the evolution of offshore wind energy, showcasing the possibility of generating electricity by harnessing wind power at sea. The project ran successfully for a quarter of a century before being decommissioned in 2017. The insights and experience acquired from this inaugural offshore wind farm laid the foundation for the development of more sophisticated, efficient, and cost-effective offshore wind technologies. In the years following the installation of the Vindeby Offshore Wind Farm, the offshore wind industry experienced rapid growth and expansion, particularly in European countries such as Denmark, the United Kingdom, the Netherlands, Germany, and Sweden. These countries were early adopters of offshore wind technology, spurred by favorable wind conditions, shallow waters, and supportive government policies. Throughout the past 3 decades, offshore wind energy technology has evolved considerably. Modern offshore wind turbines are much larger and more efficient than the original turbines installed at Vindeby. For instance, the latest offshore wind turbines have capacities exceeding 10 megawatts, with rotor diameters of over 160 meters. These advancements have enabled the construction of large-scale offshore wind farms with the capacity to generate hundreds or even thousands of megawatts of electricity. As offshore wind technology has advanced, the industry has also started to expand globally. The United States, China, and other countries in the Asia-Pacific region are now investing heavily in the development of their own offshore wind industries. This global expansion has been facilitated by improvements in turbine technology, installation methods, and grid connections, which have made offshore wind projects more efficient and cost-effective. Looking ahead, the future of the offshore wind sector appears to be promising, with several factors indicating a positive outlook. Continued technological advancements, as the industry continues to invest in research and development, further improvements in turbine design, installation techniques, and operations and maintenance practices will likely increase the capacity and efficiency of offshore wind farms. This, in turn, will drive down costs and make offshore wind energy more competitive with other energy sources. Floating wind farms. The development of floating wind turbines has the potential to revolutionize the offshore wind industry by allowing wind farms to be built in deeper waters further from shore. This will open up new areas for development, particularly in regions with limited shallow coastal waters, and help to reduce potential conflicts with competing uses of the marine environment, such as fishing and shipping. Global market expansion. As the benefits of offshore wind energy become more widely recognized, and as countries strive to meet their renewable energy and climate change mitigation goals, the global offshore wind market is poised for continued growth. This expansion will be fueled by increased investments, supportive government policies, and the development of specialized supply chains tailored to the unique requirements of the offshore wind sector. Government support and international cooperation. Numerous national governments have established ambitious renewable energy targets and are enacting policies that promote the development of offshore wind projects. International collaboration, including the sharing of best practices, technologies, and expertise, will further advance the industry and foster the global growth of offshore wind energy. Grid integration and energy storage. As grid infrastructure improves and energy storage solutions become more practical, integrating large-scale offshore wind projects into power systems will be increasingly feasible. This will help address challenges associated with the intermittent nature of wind energy, thus promoting the industry's sustained growth. Environmental and social benefits. Offshore wind energy holds the potential to significantly reduce greenhouse gas emissions and reliance on fossil fuels, contributing to the fight against climate change and the enhancement of air quality. Furthermore, the development of offshore wind projects can create jobs and stimulate economic growth in coastal communities, particularly in the areas of manufacturing, construction, and operations and maintenance. Hybrid and integrated energy systems. The future of offshore wind energy might also involve the integration of other renewable energy sources, such as solar power, wave energy, and energy storage, into hybrid systems. These integrated energy systems can aid in optimizing resource utilization, bolstering energy generation stability, and maximizing the benefits of renewable energy investments. Digitalization and automation. The integration of digital technologies and automation in the offshore wind industry is expected to enhance efficiency, lower costs, and improve safety. This includes the application of advanced sensors, remote monitoring, data analytics, artificial intelligence, and robotics for inspection and maintenance tasks. Public acceptance and stakeholder engagement. As the offshore wind industry continues to expand, it is crucial to involve local communities, stakeholders, and other marine environment users in order to ensure that projects are developed sustainably and responsibly. Increased public awareness and understanding of the advantages of offshore wind energy will lead to broader support for the sector. Research and innovation. Persistent research and innovation in areas such as advanced materials, aerodynamics, control systems, and installation techniques will propel further advancements in offshore wind energy technology, facilitating the development of more efficient, reliable, and cost-effective projects. In conclusion, the future outlook for the offshore wind sector is bright, with the potential for substantial growth in capacity and global market expansion in the coming years. The ongoing advancement of technology, supportive government policies, increased investment, and enhanced international cooperation will be crucial in tapping into the full potential of offshore wind energy as a significant contributor to global renewable energy generation and climate change mitigation efforts. As the industry matures, addressing challenges related to grid integration, environmental impacts, and stakeholder engagement will be essential for ensuring the long-term sustainability and success of the offshore wind sector. Thank you for choosing ReneEnergy.com as your go-to source for all things renewable energy and sustainability. With our YouTube channel, we explore the latest developments and innovations in the field, including hydrogen fuel cells and the use of AI and machine learning to optimize energy consumption. If you're ready to take the next step towards a cleaner, more sustainable future, visit us at ReneEnergy.com and discover the many ways we can help you transition to renewable energy. Thank you for watching and subscribing. Stay up to date on all the latest news and insights by subscribing today.